Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel. So today we back with another episode of, kind of the NFTs to look out for, some of the ones that catch my attention and that I just kind of want to review. And this is also education as well. So we're going to jump right into it. So the project we're reviewing today is Rave Bunnies. All right. Now, this NFT caught my attention, honestly, because when I first read about it, I seen the word earn. And whenever we're talking about these NFTs, remember, NFTs are not just an image that you can screenshot or grab. It's not just a worthless image. Most of the times, the NFTs that we see being able to have more value, mostly carry some sort of value and have value in another world. So we're going to review that today. And outside of it being just a cool design, once again, the word earn caught me, but we're about to review their whole thing. So first, welcome to Bunnyverse episode 1, the Rave Bunnies. All right, we are Rave Bunnies. 5,000 randomized, unique, hand-drawn NFT avatars for the newest play and earn. That's what caught me. Game about to drop in the future real music festivals. All right, now, ever wonder what would happen if Rave Bunnies were living peacefully and suddenly got involved in a Bunnyverse clan war? Ever imagine how Rave Bunnies turn into weaponized bunnies? You're about to be part of an adventure while you earn money playing. All right, that's big. There we go. We talking about value. So go ahead and mint your bunnies and prepare for them for the upcoming war. All right, now, all the bunnies are upgradable and will be upgraded to 3D for free after launch of the second clan, the 3D Punk Bunnies, right? The upgrades will come with basic 3D weapons or items, and the upgrades are part of the Bunnyverse story and game preparations, right? Now, oh, that's impressive. They've been seen on some pretty big platforms. So for my beginners out there, that's a pretty good indication that this project is gonna have some hype, some demand. Without even really reading the roadmap, I'm already sort of in. But there's a Cyber Monday pre-sale, all right? The price is starting at 0.43 Ethereum. Let's calculate that. So that's about 186 US dollars, okay? Now, public sale, the Dutch Universe auction system where minting costs will increase daily after 72 hours from the sale launch by a percent calculated from the market strength and demand. This system was proven to boost the floor price in the aftermarket, all right? So basically telling you that, hey, you're pretty much getting a deal by taking this Cyber Monday deal, all right? So you got 13% mint 3. Okay, so that tells me these are already out. These are already out. Okay, so that's 0.12 Ethereum. That's 0.043 Ethereum, which is about 180 bucks, 26. Okay, and this is for bundles, all right? So you can mint 3 for that price, you can mint 1 for that price, or you can mint 7 for that price, all right? Now, some extra gas fees may be deducted by the blockchain. If the gas fees are too high right now, try again in a few hours. So let me tell y'all what I know about that. It's the when the blockchain is crowded, when everybody's trying to make transactions, then it's simply more expensive. If you wait to a time, even if it's 5 a.m. to where it's not so crowded, then it's going to be cheaper, okay? So that's definitely how that works. How to mint, all right? They've got a whole tutorial on how to mint. Check it out. Oh, okay. And they pretty much leave a note here. Minting may take 1 minute to hours depending on the blockchain conditions and your set gas fee, right? So once you confirm on MetaMask, you keep checking on opensea.io or contact us on Discord if your transaction is still pending or failed, all right? So what MetaMask is, for those who don't know, is basically a crypto wallet. When is my EGG revealed? All the eggs on opensea.io will turn into Rave Bunny avatars on the 3rd of December, which is pretty soon. Let's check out the roadmap. The roadmap is usually, for me, how I can tell if this project is something I want to invest in, all right? So our story, the Rave Bunnies were living happy life filled with music festival and occasional illegal carrot intake. Wow, that's funny. But they sensed a danger that will disrupt their peace, help them get ready for the clan wars, all right? So I don't know about the clan wars so far. I don't know. Okay, competitions and giveaways. Several rounds of competitions and giveaways, including our NFT cryptocurrency, famous NFTs, all right? So yeah, it seems like they got it all together as far as the giveaways, and that's kind of in October, so this is one that's already kind of got their show on the road, all right? Whitelist pre-sale on November 22nd, which has already happened. 1,100 Rave Bunny NFTs will be sold to whitelisted community fans and long-term investors. Competitions and giveaways in November. We will give away 50,000 and a lot of Rave Bunny NFTs to lucky winners. Check out our Discord server for more information. Yikes. Okay, so that's major. Public sale on November 29th. All right, so That's actually today. When you see this video, the public sale, the rest of them will go up. So that'll actually be ready. All right. So special upgrades raffle. We will distribute special edition weapons and upgrades to lucky drawing winners that hold at least 5 Rave Bunny NFTs. Oh, that's, bro, I got to get one of these. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Punks clan launch. It's all happiness until the punks come in. They think they are elites because they are 3D and armed with cool weapons. But are they though? Ravers are shaking. Let's upgrade. All right. So looks like, remember, this is just like within Fortnite or 2K or whatever game you might play, bro. Like, this sounds like a pretty fun game. This sounds like a pretty dope project, bro. Full Rave Bunnies upgrade. We will upgrade all your Rave Bunnies to their final 3D depth versions. All right, and that's in early 2022. Carrot token launch. That's right. We're building a Bunnyverse. The token will build the infrastructure needed for the game and marketplace. All right, they're gonna launch the marketplace in 2022. We have our own decentralized marketplace and swap platform on the blockchain. Players and holders will get profits from the marketplace as well. See the white paper. Boom. Music festival. We all need to rave, and we can start virtual. Our bunny will be the first NFT avatar in the $10 billion raving market. I personally don't know anything about raves, but talk about the metaverse period and just, you know, things becoming more digital and having digital concerts and stuff like that. Hey man, this once again, this might be something that's ahead of its time, you know. Mini game launching a mini game for our first loyal community to test, and this is okay, the third quarter, to test and suggest any gameplay alterations. We want you to be happy. And then boom, early 2023 official game launching our play to earn fully animated decentralized game that will have a strong community of ravers, teenagers, and covering all game loving genders. All right, this is pretty dope. This is a good roadmap. All right, so what I see with this roadmap and what I stress to y'all in pretty much all my videos is that, bro, NFT investments right now, if like I'm gonna be in and I'm gonna, trust me, I'm gonna like kind of get you hip to projects that you can, you know, come in fast and do stuff with. But if you're trying to really get in on this, you can't do this fast, bro. If you would have tried to do Bitcoin fast in 2008, bro, then you would have, you know, you would have lost out on hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this isn't something you do fast. All right, so Bunny Clans, play and earn game. Let's talk about the game. Play and earn game with a 3D effect on the blockchain. Sustainable economy based on marketplace profit sharing. Decentralized transactions, in-game and NFT items. Weapon and item upgrades right from our marketplace. That's pretty dope. Our white paper. Please read our white paper that will detail our journey. We are just getting started with our Bunnyverse vision. The first project to tap into the 50 million raver community. That's big. NFTs, token, marketplace, game are all in plan. All right, then they talk about their creative team down here and then their FAQ. All right, now let's check them out on OpenSea because, like, you know, they haven't dropped yet, so the bunnies are all just eggs right now. You know what I'm saying? And I definitely want to grab me one of these. Pretty dope. They haven't hatched yet. Like, that's what I like with NFTs, bro. Once again, I hope by watching these, bro, you're starting to understand what this really is. Like, it's not just worthless images. It's not just PNGs, JPEGs, bro. It's way more than that, bro. It's you know, there's a whole plan, there's a whole roadmap, there's a whole community behind these, bro. So let me know in the comments what y'all think about this. This is one that I'm definitely gonna not only get myself but keep y'all updated, bro. Like, man, I really appreciate just all the great teams, bro, that's really bringing out great NFTs, bro. So love everybody out there, man. Let's get it.